about to change your hearing aid because it isn't working? Wait, most hearing aids don't fail, they just get blocked. It's like trying to listen through a covered speaker. The sound is there, but something's in the way. Try this quick routine. It takes less than a minute. Step 1. Switch it off. Always start here. Keeps everything safe while cleaning. Step 2. Quick wipe. Use a soft dry cloth to clean the outer surface. No water, no sprays. Step 3. Check the tiny openings. Look closely at the mic and speaker areas. Use your cleaning brush to gently remove any buildup. Step 4. Don't ignore the filter. If your hearing aid has a wax filter, changing it can instantly improve sound. Step 5. Air it out overnight. Open the battery door or place it in a drying case. Moisture quietly affects performance. Most sound problems aren't technical, they're just maintenance issues. Save this so you remember and follow Zenaud for more simple hearing tips that actually help.